guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for a little bit of CVS. I know, right? I'm trying to get back into CVS, y'all. I'm really trying. I said, you know what? If I'm gonna do this, I need to stick to one card, two max. So far, I've been just using one card, which is good. All right. So I was looking through Instagram this morning, and Becky Coupons is the Instagram page. She's been posting deals all morning, and so I thought, you know what, let me see what I can do with this. There are some glitches as well we're gonna try out, but the goal for today is gonna be to put them in order. We're going to do multiple transactions to help lower the out-of-pocket, rolling extra care bucks from transaction 1 into transaction 2 and so forth. The best way to lower your out-of-pocket, you guys, is going to be doing smaller transactions and rolling those extra care bucks. And so that's my goal for today. I am starting off with the $4 off of purchase CRT that I got. It was an email last week, I think, and it expires today. So I'm going to try to use that first because that's free money. And then I also have a $4 extra care buck from the razor deal, I want to say, from last week. Now I did that Dove deal. Y'all remember I did the Dove deal. I ended up returning it. I do still have a $2 extra care buck on my account for that as well. So technically speaking, I'm starting off with 10, but for starters, we're definitely going to use that $4 first. I do have my $10 care pass as well, but we're going to just do smaller transactions. Again, this is going to help you guys lower your out of pocket so that you're not spending as much money. Now obviously, if you have a lot more extra care bucks, you can just go in there and do one transaction and get everything, and that would be cool too. But if you're not working with a lot, this is like the best technique to use to help lower your out of pocket and where you're not paying as much, right? And so if you're new here though, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. And so I still gotta wait like 40 minutes before CVS actually opens because it's still kind of early. So I'm gonna head over to Walmart really quick, and then I will see you guys over at CVS. So if you want to see what your girl got, keep on watching.
All right, guys. So this first deal that we're gonna do is on the CoverGirl. Now, disclaimer: I don't have any coupons. I don't have any paper coupons at all. So all the deals that I will be doing are all gonna be all digital. All right, so I know that there are $3 CoverGirl coupons. I don't have them. I don't get coupons anymore. Honestly, right now, I haven't even been printing them because my freaking printer is not working. So the first deal that I'm going to do is going to be on the CoverGirl. All right, it's buy 2, get back 6. All right, so now there are 2 different ways. Well, obviously, there's multiple ways of doing this deal. Originally, I was going to grab a face and an eye. The cheapest face they have are these up here. Okay, $8.29 for the face, and the cheapest eye are down here. The perfect blend and the double packs are $5.79. All right, so the total for that would be $14.08. All right, and then for digitals, we've got a 5 off of 1 CoverGirl, a 2 off of 1 face, and 2 off of eye. All right, that's gonna bring the total down to $5.08, and then you would get back the 6 up here. It would make it a 92-cent moneymaker. All right, now I thought, well, what if I just go ahead and just grab 2 of the pencils down here at $5.79, right? And the total will come to $11.58. Using the 5 off of 1 CRT and the $2 digital off of 1 of them, I'd pay $4.58 and get back 6, making it a $1.42 moneymaker. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just grab that instead. It'll be a bigger moneymaker. All right, so this next deal we're gonna do is the Clairol. Okay, it's buy 2 get back 4. They're on sale for $8.99. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. We'll pay $17.98. And then for coupons, we have we actually have 2 5 off 2s, and we have one that's $8.99 off of 2. So we're hoping for the BOGO one and one of the 5s to come off. So that's gonna bring the total down to what? Mine is $8.99. and minus 5. We should pay $3.99, right, and get back 4. So it'll make them both free. So pay 4, get 4. All right, so this next deal that we're going to do is on the Crest Oral-B. They are on sale for $3.99, and they are also buy 2 get back 5. So we're going to grab one of the toothbrushes. I'm actually going to grab the charcoal one right here. And then we're going to run down here. We're going to grab the toothpaste, which is also on sale for the same price at $3.99. So we're going to grab this one here. So both items are going to come to $7.98. And then for coupons, we have a $2 digital off of the toothbrush. And we also have a $2 digital off of the toothpaste. So it's going to bring it down to paying $3.98 out of pocket for both of them. And then you're going to be getting back $5 in extra care bucks, which is right there. It'll make them both free plus a $1.02 moneymaker. All right, so this is what we're working with so far. I'm still building my transaction in order to use my extra care bucks. But again, if you want to lower the out of pocket and you don't have a lot of extra care bucks to work with, definitely do smaller transactions. And so as of right now, my out of pocket for these 3 deals is $12.55, getting back 6, 5, 4. So far, we're at a $2.45 moneymaker. Okay, so with the Dove, they are priced at $6.99 on sale, and it's buy 2 get back 3. So for this, we want to grab 2 of them. The total is going to come to $13.98. And then for digitals, if you still have the 5 back when you buy 2 digital right there from last week, and then we have another one as well for this week. Hopefully they both come off. And you'll end up paying $3.98, getting back 3. So it'll make it only 49 cents each, which is awesome for Dove. All right, guys, let's go over what went wrong. Okay, so listen. There goes a Dove at the very top. There goes the Clairol. There goes the Crest Oral-B CoverGirl. All right, CoverGirl, the digital did not work with those pencils. So, and that's my fault for not scanning it to make sure. Duh. It only worked with the double packs. Now with the Dove the Dove body wash, I assume it didn't attach because I used too many extra care bucks. That's all I can think of. Because I know that it works because she's been getting them all morning. So I know that it works. All right, so that sucks. Everything else worked out though. So there goes the Clairol, $8.99. There goes the 5. There goes the Dove 5. There goes the Oral-B. There goes the Crest. There goes the $5 CRT. And then there goes my $4 off purchase. There goes my Care Pass. And then there goes the $2. So total was $3.32. All right. And then I got back 18. So I paid $23.53 and got back 18. So this cost me $5.53. I'm gonna try to submit on. I think I might have the CoverGirl on Alexa, and I'll try to submit on Swagbucks. That'll give me back 4. It won't be as bad. It'll be a cost of $153. So. Okay, so I think this is the last deal that I'm gonna do on the Garnier. They are priced at 2 for $8. Buy 2 get back 4. So I'm gonna use this 3 off of 2 digital right there. I'll end up paying $5, getting back 4, making them 50 cents a piece. And so yeah, see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Well, I'll see you guys in the car for the final breakdown.
All right, I'm going to have to make this quick because you see your girl's already starting to glisten, and I had to take my sweater off because I was like, oh no. So listen, your girl was in there making rookie mistakes.
Rookie mistakes! I was just like, are you serious? Are you absolutely serious? You know, did you really do that? Did you really do that? Like, how am I telling you, do this, and do that, and do this, and I want to do this, and do that, and do this? Like, really? Really?
The first transaction I did, those 4 deals, the mistake was, my mistakes of today. Like, if you don't take nothing from this video, scan stuff, all right? If I had scanned this scent, I would have known that it wasn't double attaching. But why? I did not know because I didn't scan it. So I could have saved an extra $5 on this deal. I was gonna return it, but I was just like, whatever. On that. And then the other thing was the CoverGirl. I didn't scan CoverGirl to make sure that this worked. And it didn't. It's just the double packs that work. So I lost out on an extra $2 on this deal. The Clairol and the Crest deal, those worked out perfect. The last one I did was the Garnier. Now you don't have to do Garnier. I only did Garnier because I did it last week and they only had shampoos and I wanted to complete the set. And so that's why I did that deal and got conditioners. But that deal worked out fine. All right. 2 for $8. Dang, I'm already trying to sweat. 2 for $8. $3 digital came off fine. Pay 5, get 4. All right, make those 50 cents a piece, right? That deal was perfect. So out of the 5 deals that I did, 3 of them was perfect. Obviously, if you watch this video, you won't make the same mistakes that I won't. Well, hell, you won't make the same mistakes that I did. All right. And so 5 deals retailed $59.52. I had $39.99 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals. Now I count the Care Pass as a $5 coupon, and I count the $4 purchase as a coupon. So I took off that extra $9. So that's what brought me to $39.99. I paid $19.53 out of pocket and got back $22 in extra Care Bucks. Now I did submit my receipt on Swagbucks for the CoverGirl for $2. Hopefully I get that back. If I do, then that makes this a $4.47 money maker, which is definitely not bad, which is another reason why I kept the Dove. But if I don't get back that too, it's a $2.47 money maker. So other than that, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.